Making money online, a guide to success. Making money online has become increasingly popular with the rise of digital platforms and opportunities. Offer your skills and services as a freelancer in areas such as writing, graphic design, programming. Sell products on popular online marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, or Etsy. Set up your own online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Build an audience and monetize your content on platforms like YouTube, Twitch, TikTok. Promote products or services and earn a commission for each sale or lead generated. Share your knowledge and expertise by offering online tutoring or coaching sessions. Participate in online surveys, complete micro tasks, or become a website or app tester. Online surveys, complete micro tasks, become a website or app tester. Engage in online trading of stocks, commodities, cryptocurrencies. Remember, building an online income takes time, effort, and persistence. Choose legitimate opportunities and develop valuable skills to stand out.